All right. So for some people, there are those of us who love to build businesses. Right, there are some of us who love to be a part of projects and to create income streams, promote the business. Not everybody needs to promote. You don't need to talk to people on the Ultron platform. Just buy your NFT staking hub, allow it to mint for you over the next 5 years. However, if you're someone who is like me, who wants to change 1,000 lives, who wants to change people's lives, impact the world, then you can become an affiliate of the Ultron platform. And there are so many bonuses you can get. The direct bonus for everybody you bring into the system on your pay leg, you get 10%. So if you bring somebody who signs up at $500, you're going to get $50. The team bonus, anybody in your structure on your pay leg that signs up anybody, you're also going to get 10%. So if somebody comes, signs up with $1,000 worth of NFT staking hub, you're going to get $100, even if you don't know the person directly. And of course, I want you to fall in love with the cashback bonus. This bonus can give you back 100% of your investment in the system, just because you introduce it to 5 people who came in at your financial capacity also. And see, if you join any of our webinars, you're going to get full details of the rest of this, income streams. All right. So at this point, let me just fly through this slide, just to show you what's possible if you decide to become an affiliate. You could rank up, gold, silver, gold, pearl, sapphire, ruby, on and on and on. I'm going to interview a ruby. I mean, it's really massive. The project is really massive and the possibilities are limitless. Permit me to, use the next 1 or 2 minutes. Let's listen to a ruby on the team. I'm going to ask you, Smith, to unmute yourself and tell the team, anybody listening to this right now, why they need to grab this opportunity, why they need to let go of their fears, and, on an income level, how has this changed your life? Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, thank you very, very much. This is a wonderful one, and you have really said it all. In fact, there's nothing left for me to say again. But then, I'm so grateful for this opportunity because it came at the right time that I was looking at, having something that can actually free me for life. A lot of times I've missed that. A lot of opportunities had come and gone. And just like some people listening to us now, we've missed a lot. And you've mentioned it earlier on, a lot of us missed Bitcoin. I did miss that, just by way of not getting the proper information, not being educated as at that time. I missed BNB. BNB made 2 of my friends billionaires. I met 2 of my friends at some point in time. And, at that point in time, their life had changed forever. And they told me, and then it was late. They told me that this is what happened to them. They invested in BNB when it was just starting, when it was 1-3 cents, and the next 3 years their life changed forever and they became billionaires. And when I'm saying billionaires, I mean billionaires and not millionaires. These are my friends. These are people I know, and a couple of other people too. And the last one that happened to me is that was that I got to come in contact with a coin. That was it called PLC or something. That was last December. The coin was around 1 cent thereabouts, and before you know it, the coin has flew to about $120,000. And I was like, Smith, come. It looks as if they are chasing you from village. Look at all these opportunities that would have changed your life, and nothing you did about all of these opportunities. But, there's always one more chance for that child that is ready to learn and all that. And now came Ultron. And when it came, I listened, I was so open-minded, and I learned that, in fact, all the ones I've missed are child's play compared to this Ultron. Because just like you said, this is a layer 1 project. It's a layer 1 blockchain project. It's not just like any other project. A layer 1, like Bitcoin and all of that. And not just a layer 1. It's a layer 1 that is different from every other layer 1 that's been out there. It has its own ecosystem of over 40 decentralized applications that is going to become about 100 in no time, with a whole lot of stuff that made me say yes. And even if it wasn't like that, I was still going to say yes anyway, because I wasn't going to miss any opportunity again. And today, I'm so grateful I did. I'm really, really grateful I did, because Ultron is promising us a lot of things, and everything is in place right now. Just like you've showed us, the ULS can, which is its own blockchain, where people can go and see real-time transactions happening on the blockchain. You know, a full decentralized system, also having its own decentralized exchange where you can go to swap your ULX tokens into any other token. You know, we don't have all these every day with layer one blockchains. We just have a few of them. You know, some of us know of Sushi Swap, we know of a Pancake Swap, and all these other swap, just a few of them. Now, this project is also a great project that has its own exchange. So, you know, the smart contract is crazy. You know, one of the few blockchain project that has an audited smart contract. So there's a lot of things that is really, 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 really going to make this big. It's really, really going to make this bigger than Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time, just like you said. Bigger than Ethereum. You know, Ethereum is even trying to cross over to a proof of stake, which is a consensus algorithm. You know, it's been taking them 2 years now to cross over to Ethereum 2.0. And here is Ultron that is already operating that consensus algorithm. So it's a massive one. For anybody listening to this, you know, a lot of us we've lost hope that are we ever going to get some opportunities like the Bitcoin, the BNB, the Cardano, and all of that again? Are we ever going to get? Now is right here in your face. Now, are you ready? 14 years ago, just like was said earlier on, if you had invested $500 into Bitcoin or into Cardano or into BNB and all that, by today you would have created generational wealth for yourself. You know, and a lot of us in the bid to try to achieve that, we lose so many. We lost, you know, we hear this coin is out without knowing anything about it. We just put money. You know, somebody come with another project and say another coin is out without knowing what it is. We put money and we keep losing money blindly. Keep losing money blindly. And we, you know, when some of us now see the real thing, we'll be like, oh, I've lost so much money. There's no real thing out there. There's no, and we lose opportunities. Now, don't ever lose this. If you have lost money in the past, it's time for that reward to come back to you through this opportunity, through this project called the Ultron blockchain. Now, I don't want to take so much of my time, so much of our time. The thing is, this is the biggest right now. And to cap it all, according to Yahoo Finance, we all know Yahoo, we could do that research. Yahoo Finance termed this project one of the greatest inventions in the blockchain, one of the biggest blockchain projects of 2022. So this is massive. This is not just a coin we are telling you guys. This is not just like all those coins people have been bringing to you and you've been putting money without doing your due diligence, without knowing what it is all about, and you lose money. You know, we lose money because we don't really know what we are putting money into. But here is something you need to put money into. Here is a real blockchain layer one project, not just a coin, not just a token, a project. You know, I won't say much about that. We can attend seminars and all that to have more information about that. And talking personally about changing lives and all that, this has really changed my life in a few months. You know, just like my mentor just said now, there are two aspects to this opportunity. There's a blockchain aspect where you just put your fund, provide liquidity, and get your daily rewards, get your rewards minted for you daily. If that's what you want to do, fine. Just put your money in, go to bed, and you make money. Now, for some of us that love to even make much more money and love to tell our friends about great opportunities, we can also create fortunes for ourselves through the affiliate marketing aspect. And just through that aspect alone, in 3 months, I've made close to $10,000 in 3 months. And this system is the most fantastic I've seen. You know, wow. There's no story about your money, or there's no story about making your withdrawals in the future, in a future date or something. Everything is instant. Everything is automatic. From the back office, you get whatever you are due for, you get it instantly. And in 3 months, I've made close to $10,000. Imagine I didn't say yes to this opportunity. $10,000 in, okay, I'm from Nigeria, and the exchange rate as of today is about 700 naira. Let me put it out with 700 naira to $1. Now, if you do that conversion, that would be like 7 million naira in just about 3 months. So, man, think about it. Think about it. So, guys, I want to look into this. I don't want to take much time. I'm taking much time already. This is massive. This is one of the biggest things that is happening right now. This is one of the biggest things anybody can get involved in. And, you know, we all don't want to work till infinity. We all don't want to work for all through our lives till we are 70, 60, 70, 80, 90. Nobody does that again. You know, now there's a chance for you to, in the next few years, in the next 1, 2, 3, 5 years, you can create generational wealth for yourself. Think back again. Some years back, people invested in Bitcoin. They took the chance. People took the chance with BNB, with Cardano, with Avalanche, and those other layer one projects. And in a few years after they took the chance, they are free forever and ever and ever. Now, what story would you want to say in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years? Do you want to be like that person that say, "Oh, I heard about that Ultron. Oh, I was told, but I never took the chance." When you'll be seeing those that took the chances, you'll be seeing them establishing generational wealth for themselves. Man, the choice is yours anyway. I think we've said it all for now. You can join us on any of our Zoom meeting to get more information, or get back to the person that gave you this. And I hope I've been able to help somebody out there. And I'm so thankful for this opportunity given to me, Boss Nnamdi. And I hope people out there will listen to this, and this will change lives forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Smith, for that powerful, energetic expose of the system. And like it's always said, you see, if you want things to get better, you have to get better. If you want things to change, you have to change. So if you're listening to this recording, replay on our YouTube channel, please decide to take a bold step. Eliminate your fears. Move with the opportunity, and tomorrow will be a testimony. Your family, your kids, everyone will thank you for taking a decision to take a chance on the only layer one blockchain technology that has its metaverse being built. Have a blessed day.